Example 4, determine the slope of a line that is perpendicular to the line through the point E 2, 3 and F negative 4, negative 1. So I'm going to find the slope of this line, and then I will take the negative reciprocal of that slope. So the slope of this line, I need the slope formula. So I already wrote the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll use x1, we'll call it E.1 and F.2. So y2 would be negative 1 minus y1 is 3. x2 would be negative 4 minus x1 would be 2. So let's simplify this. We're going to get negative 4 over negative 6. So this equals 2/3. Now again, reading the question carefully, that's the slope of the line EF. So therefore, the slope that would be perpendicular to this line, we call it perpendicular slope, would be negative 3 over 2. So you clearly want to use a little perpendicular symbol. Part B, determine the coordinates of G so that line EG is perpendicular to line EF. So we know the slope of line EF here. So we're going to plot EF first since we're given those specific points. We'll plot that first. So let's maybe keep track of what we're doing. So plot EF. So I need a scale on here. So I'm going to put a 1 as a scale. So we're going to plot the point 2, 3. So 2, 3, and we'll label that E. And then we'll plot the point negative 4, negative 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1 is right down here. So there's F. So I'm going to draw and connect EF. Now I want to draw a line that's perpendicular. So I don't want to just necessarily put a ruler and kind of guess right angles. And I don't have a protractor. So the idea is that from point E, so we'll say from E, we're going to sketch a line with a slope of negative 3 over 2. So from E, sketch a line with a slope of negative 3 over 2 since it's perpendicular. So if this is my first point, counting down because it's negative, I'm going to count down 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go right 2 for my run. Remember that it's rise over run. So there is my line, and it's said to call this coordinate G. So this is G. So you can tell it definitely looks like a right angle here. So what's the coordinate G? So G would be the point 4, 0. So that would be my answer.